So listen, I just wanted to tell you about 3 of the favourite things that I like to do coming up to St. Patrick's Day. First one, you can see, wear green, just love it. The second one is eat potatoes, my favourite food in every form, except maybe raw, but I absolutely love potatoes. And the third thing that I love to do is to play Irish music. And I have this book, 20 Celtic Cello Duets, that I made a couple of years ago. The hard copy is sold out, but the good news is that there is a digital PDF version available on my website. And this book is full of tunes that have been with us for probably hundreds of years. And I always wonder what makes a good tune, why does it last for so long? And I think it just gives us a really good feeling when we listen to it or we play it. And these are 20 tunes, 20 of my favourite tunes. So if you order this, you'll have tunes that are really easy to play on the cello. You can start playing them instantly today if you order it. And there's a special St. Patrick's week reduction on the price, a special offer just for this week, so that we can all get going in our celebrations, our preparations for the celebrations for St. Patrick's Day. So I hope to hear that you're playing some gorgeous Celtic cello tunes, and wishing you a great week.